because Moshe's idea of the potent self is the freedom to move in any direction without hesitation or preparation. Now, that means that you have to be in the place from which any direction is possible. You can't be bound to any intention. You can see, because serial language takes us from the past to the future, or it's continually one line after the other. But if you work with images, as Tiffany well knows, you can have multiple dimensions. You can have the past, present, and future in any image. Yeah? And so when you start to work in images, and here we were talking about internal dimensional images from which infinite possibilities can exist. Infinite possibilities cannot exist if we're only operating out of our conditioning. O-sensei, the founder of Aikido, said exactly the same thing. He talked in terms of Takimusu Aiki. He said, Takimusu Aiki is the state in which, he says, in Aikido, there is no technique, only unlimited creativity.